In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix League of Legends Alt-Tab not working. If you've ever tried to switch to your desktop or another app while the game is in full screen and gotten a long pause, a black screen, or the game refusing to minimize, you're running into how exclusive full screen works. In that mode, the game takes full control of the display, which can make Alt-tabbing choppy or unreliable. The simplest and most reliable fix keeps the game looking exactly like full screen while letting Windows handle switching instantly. You'll do two quick things inside the game's video settings. Set your resolution to the maximum your monitor supports, and change the window mode to borderless. Launch a match or open the practice tool so the in-game menu is available, then open the settings. Go to the video section. First, find the resolution drop-down and set it to your monitor's native resolution, the highest option available. Matching your monitor's native resolution ensures the picture fills the screen with the correct sharpness and aspect ratio. If you ever see black bars or a stretched image, that almost always means the resolution doesn't match the display, so selecting the maximum fixes it. Next, change window mode from full screen to borderless. Borderless windowed looks and feels like full screen, but it doesn't lock the display the same way. Because Windows continues to manage the desktop, Alt-tabbing becomes smooth and instant. Click Apply to confirm the changes. That's it. From now on, you can tab out to your browser, chat, or streaming software and jump right back without the delay. Most players won't notice any performance difference compared to full screen, and input feels consistent. On multi-monitor setups, this also prevents the screen from flickering or monitors from briefly resyncing when you switch tasks. If you prefer the clarity and size of full screen but need dependable multitasking, this combination, maximum resolution with borderless mode, gives you the best of both worlds. And if you ever want to test the difference, you can swap between full screen and borderless in the same video menu and apply to compare, then return to borderless for reliable Alt-tab behavior. To wrap up, the fix is simple. Set your resolution to the highest option and switch the window mode to borderless. That preserves a full screen look while making Alt-tabbing smooth and reliable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay focused on the game while still being able to multitask with no hassle.